Claude Design just dropped, so I'm giving it a challenge. I want it to create me a keyboard brand. Let's see how it does. Okay, so I'm not going to give it any screenshot or whatever. I'm just gonna type it out. Build an entire keyboard brand from scratch. The brand is called Escape Club. It is a premium mechanical keyboard brand for gamers. Okay, I think that's descriptive enough. Let's see what Claude Design does. I'm very interested to see what it's doing here. Okay, we can expand from here. Let's see. Yeah, let's do marketing website +0. That sounds good. We wanted premium. Oh, maybe retro. Yeah, let's do. You know what? Cyberpunk. So many options. Okay, we can basically see here it maps out different tasks to do, and we can literally see how it's busy building here. It's busy cooking. So it's building a full marketing website, so with the product pages and everything. So I'm really interested to see what it's gonna bring up here. Okay, it's here. Let's see. Wow, this already looks so good. Oh, it's interactive. Damn. It has our pricing in here and everything. I like this. This looks premium. That keyboard. And for the products, I've said that we do keyboards and switches, so it has switches as well. It even has like all the technical information. Clicky blue. Wow. It built out the whole marketing page, like landing page for us. Even the shop now, we have a bestseller. Go into it, the product. I think this is just on top. I think this might be like an add to cart, or yeah. Obviously, there's no backend functionality. This is the design, but I'm very happy with what I'm seeing in front of me. This just shows how insane Claude Design is. Different specs. Yeah, I like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if there's any other feature you'd like to see, and we would do it.